Hello there. Hi everyone. Welcome today. Yes, today on Wednesday. It's Wednesday, June the 22nd, 2022. We have here three regular puzzles. Killer Sudoku, Binary Sudoku, and a medium Sudoku. Three regular puzzles. And we have here an additional with letter Sudoku again. Sudoku with 2 stars, with 3 stars, with 4 stars. Killer, tectonic with 4 stars. Then we have a tectonic with 1 star and 1 binary puzzle. So the same, we have here the same additional as yesterday, but with other puzzles, of course. All right, half of them I will solve. So 4 puzzles I will do in the additional, and yeah. But first, the regular puzzles. 3 regular puzzles. Wow. Wow. 3 times. Alright. 3 regular puzzles. First one I will solve is the binary puzzle. By the way, it's today, day number 119 days ago the war started in Ukraine. So war day number 119. I hope this will soon be ended, because all the prices are going up, and yeah, I don't like this if it's too long. Anyway, this puzzle will be number 4735. Okay, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Let me see. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Well. What is the next step? Let me see. Well, yeah. What is the next step? 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place number 5 here or there, we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So here cannot be a 1. So the 1 should be in one of those 2 boxes. So those 2 boxes should be an O. Okay. Of course, because we have a O and a 1 there, and between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Alright. Let me see. Here also between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. Here also between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So this box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah. Let me see. Come on. It's taking too long. Yeah. Well, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So this box should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. Okay. Yeah. Overlook this double 1. Here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. Yeah, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Yeah. Well, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have here the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So this box should be a 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also. Oh, and a 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place number 5, the number 5, the fifth O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Yeah, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, and this is number 5. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Finish in 9 minutes. Wow. Without comparing, I like this one. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second puzzle. A medium Sudoku it will be. Until then, bye bye for now.